going to be showing you my winter Pinterest inspired morning routine. It's kind of a lot to read all at once, so I'm going to kind of break it down for you. It's the winter time and I'm going to be doing a Pinterest inspired morning routine. Boom, that easy. So I woke up kind of early today because I feel like Pinterest girls are like that girls. They always wake up early and they make their beds, so that's what I'm going to do first. I woke up early, I put on like this cute comfy pajama outfit. I'm going to make my bed and then we will consult Pinterest with what to do next. Let's go. Okay, now that the bed is made, I feel like the next step is definitely coffee because I always drink coffee in the mornings. So I feel like we should definitely consult Pinterest for coffee order and breakfast. Okay, I am now at the desk station and I will be looking through Pinterest for some coffee inspiration and some breakfast inspiration. So let's see what we can find that looks yummy. I think I'm gonna go with a smoothie bowl and some iced coffee because iced coffee is my favorite coffee, and I feel like since I'm trying to go with the Pinterest aesthetic vibe, iced coffee is more aesthetic anyway. So let's go make the coffee and the smoothie bowl. While that is brewing, I'm going to show you how to make my 2-ingredient smoothie for my smoothie bowl. The first thing that you'll need is a blender, any type of frozen fruit. I like to use mixed berry. I realized that the last ingredient is no longer in the fridge, so I'm going to have to go outside to get the ingredient, so let's go do that. Green juice. These are the only 2 ingredients. Okay, here's my breakfast. It looks very delicious. I added some granola and some almonds to make it look cute, and also because I really like both of those flavors. So I'm going to sit here and probably watch some YouTube and enjoy my nice slow morning with my yummy delicious breakfast. For the next segment of this video, we're going to do makeup and then I'm going to get dressed. And I think that will kind of conclude my morning routine because it's already like noon, which is not morning. I've had a very slow morning. I have this makeup look that I found on Pinterest and I just searched winter makeup look, something like that. I don't know. This is what we're going to go for. I am so not good at doing makeup like at all, and so we're gonna do our best, but I'm also not gonna freak out because I'm just like at home today. I want to do like basic makeup, nothing too crazy, but also kind of dress up a little bit. So anyways, that's the look that we're going for. I will show you the things that I use, I guess. This is the makeup that I use. This is the Fit Me Matte Poreless. It's in the shade 112. Before I put foundation on, I put a little bit of this clear daily skin clearing treatment on. Then I put on my foundation and we'll go from there. There we go. Okay, now for foundation. I just like put it on my finger and then like tap it, dot it around my face like this. I don't know. Now I have the foundation on. I recently got this Mary Kay thing, and I think it like covers, like that disappeared. Like this is really good. And somehow it like miraculously matches my skin color. Basically gone. I think my mom gave this to me. Now I'm going to do my favorite thing for makeup wise, which is blush. And I have this Mary Kay blush stick. It's like this that's sticking out. It's just so funny to me, I don't know why. I just kind of go like up my cheekbone with this little blush stick. Like put some there, put some there. Then you can just take a brush and blend it in. Am I the only one that like one side always looks better than the other? It's so annoying. Then to make that a little darker, I take this, which is Maybelline powder, and I just kind of go over that. I don't use eyeshadow unless it's for like some fancy event. Like for my senior pictures, I didn't even do eyeshadow. Since the makeup look had eyeshadow in it, I'm gonna use like a really light pink. I feel like beauty gurus always do their mascara in the viewfinder, which is so difficult. Retro Glam from Rimmel, I don't know. Yeah, I'm not doing that. This one is called Princess Lash or something. I think you can get it just like at the drugstore. Like, wait, I gotta show you this. It does so much difference, I feel like. Like, you can see it build longer. Isn't that crazy? Look at the difference. There's not really a big difference, but it's there. I use this pink tinted Burt's Bees chapstick because my lips are like the same color as my skin whenever I do foundation. That's the basic routine, but now we have to add eyeshadow. So I will be using this Blush Crush palette from Ulta. And I'm just going to put that on my eyelid. Ugh, I don't know. I don't like using eyeshadow. And there's the look. Let's look at it in the light. Well, it's definitely something. Alright, now let's consult Pinterest on what we should get dressed in today that matches this eyeshadow. Because I did pink. Great. So, I'm on Pinterest. I have a board called My Style. Where's that at? There it is. This is like all my outfit inspiration. I feel like white would look good with this eyeshadow. I could also do more like this, where it's a black tank top like I'm wearing. And then the white tie shawl over and a pair of jeans. That could be really cute. I think I'm going to do that. It's basic, it's easy, and I think it would look okay with this makeup. So that is the outfit that we're going to do. I'm going to do one of those YouTuber transitions where I like jump and then I'm in a different outfit. So, okay. I'm here, ready? 3, 2, 1. Boom. Transition. I'm thinking, I've worn it before, but it's the eyeshadow for sure that throws it off. That is all for the video. Thank you so much for sticking with me through this winter Pinterest inspired morning routine. If you like Pinterest inspired videos, let me know. Also make sure that you subscribe, you hit the bell notification, and you follow my channel. You can follow my Instagram right here to keep up with me on a more daily basis. And thank you so much for watching. And I'll see you next time.
She's
Bye.
a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her.